Hey team, so I'm going to go over this PMF strategy, and in this video we're just going to walk through how we think about product market fit. Specifically for this model that you guys have, we're going to just cover customer, problems and needs, product, key features, and then I'll show you how we used all of this to reverse engineer demand with real customers. So let's go. So step one, the customer, right? So at the top of the strategy is the customer. For us, that's going to be infra founders, Web3 protocols, AI builders, AI infrastructure, quantum, these people that need the Fala solution, okay? The key here isn't who could use it, it's who most likely to buy now and buy later and buy in sometime in the future as well. That's exactly what we're going to be going after. So that takes us to problems and needs. We're going to be digging into all of their problems and all their pain points, what's broken in their current workflow, what's missing in their current tool set. And this may look like compliance with sensitive data, friction running off-chain computation, limits around confidential computing or compute scalability. And we're going to be mapping out all of their problems around this particular thing they're trying to achieve with that. And that's going to really help us later. And then we have product and the key features. So then after these two things are done, we're going to be looking at the product. We keep it simple. We want to be looking at the TE as a service, the low latency compute stuff, and just the trust that comes with your solution. Okay. So we're trying to translate all of that into why they want to buy this, where the value is for them, speed, privacy, integration, efficiency, easy onboarding, like all of those really good things you have. And then the strategy, so basically I'm just going to be noting all these things down when I'm on calls, and all the data is going to be served here. And then you guys will have a copy of this. And then here is where the strategy lies. So it's very, very simple. I don't like to overcomplicate anything. This is just where it all comes together. The right side of the diagram is about, the left side is the initial message. So this is what we're going to be sending, some variation of this. This works really well. And then we're going to be having at least 3 to 5 potential conversations, 3 to 5 conversations per day with potential customers. We're going to be activating X clients, consulting with current clients on why they buy, and your pipeline. And we're going to be using everything we learn to guide the offer, marketing, and sales process. We're going to be then once we start having the conversations, we're going to be asking about what they're building, what's broken, and how they're solving it. I'm going to be listening for urgency, repetition, specificity, any of those 3 core things. And I'm going to be using everything they say that's going to be feeding the offer, marketing, and sales process. No guessing. We're just using their exact words to close them. Okay. And then these are, you can look at these as well. Like you can scroll down here. Miro is fantastic. I'm sure you guys use it. But you can see like more about the rapid validation. And then this is all the notes we had on our call. Maybe some other questions pop up there as well. But again, this is going to give us real visibility on exactly what problems we're solving. We're obviously going to be running the cold outreach campaigns as well on LinkedIn, X, and cold email for just getting clients in general. But this is really going to help us feed more data and really understand exactly what people want to buy, your ideal customers, why they're buying other products, why they're buying Nitro or AWS or any other solution. But let me know if you have any questions on this. I would like to start this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that, as quickly as possible so we can get this rolling. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Any feedback, please drop it in Slack. And I'm really looking forward to working with you guys. Cheers.